So beautiful. Let me show you step by step how I achieved this elegant emerald green necklace step by step. Need green crystal beads, teardrop bead, gold wire, rings, clasp, plier. These are what you need. Please like and subscribe and hit that bell for more videos. Start by connecting your round beads using gold wire to form the base of your necklace. Then you use your plier to hold it. Use your plier to hold it like that. Then use your plier to mold that gold wire so that the bead will not pass through the wire. Then you will continue doing it like that. Continue doing it like that, like that, just like that. Would you wear this design? Let me know in the comments whether you will wear this design. So you start connecting your beads. You look at how I do it. You start connecting it, and then make sure each loop is tight and secure. So your necklace stays strong and durable. Just continue forming the base. After that, then you begin to form your teardrop bead, that dangling bead, charming dangling bead. So after forming it, then you begin to put it together. You see how easy it is. Watch till the end to see how easy it is to create something so beautiful with just a few material. Just a few material. The gold wire, the bead, the clasps, nothing more, just a few material. Very easy to make, but the necklace is very beautiful. Please comment, share, like for more video, please. So after doing it, after building your base, yes, you continue building your base after the whole thing. After the whole thing, yes, that is it. Have you seen it? Is it not beautiful? Very beautiful. Then this is time to put your ring and your clasps. You put it and use your plier to, yes, to hold it. Then yes, tight it. Then this is your clasps. You use your open it with your this thing, with your plier, and tight it there. Then that is all for the base. Yeah. Now this is the place that we are going to drop your add your teardrop beads as dangling charm to create that elegant eye-catchy design. Then while doing it, you have to balance it. This side and the other side. It has to be equal. You see how I did it? That one at the middle, I use a double bead, one teardrop, one normal bead. Then I use it so as to balance in the middle there. So that is how I did it. Then Can you see it? Is it not charming? Very charming. Please, please, please comment, comment. How did you see it? Is it not good? Is it not charming? Is it not beautiful? With just a few materials. Please subscribe for more video. Bye.